how do you prevent anything from entering your body? You take a hot shower or a hot bath every morning and every night at bedtime. That both warms you up and cools you off. And you finish your hot shower with ice cold water. And that brings the blood to the surface. And that's how you prevent cough, cold, flu, and virus infection. I'm Dr. George Xavier Love for Love Chinese Medicine, in business for 40 years.